We're going to take a look at posting for free leads daily using a KB Core tool that's in there. That's a really great tool, easy to use. So if you're in your KV Core, you're going to expand your 3 lines. So again, up here in the top left, expand your 3 lines. You're going to go down and you're going to go to listings. And it's easy to go to company listings. If you have listings, you go to my listings. Most brokers have no problem with everyone in their brokerage sharing the same listing. Make sure you have permission before you advertise it. I'm going to go to company listings. We already have permission to share ours with our broker in our MLS. So then you pick a home. I'm just going to pick this first one to make it simple for the video. And then you need, this is posting, of course, through Craigslist to get free leads through Craigslist daily. So you have to have the Craigslist extension posted already. I already did a video on that, and I have a link to the video down below where you can go and check out the Craigslist extension that's in there. But the main thing you want to do when you post to Craigslist correctly is you pick your home. You go here at the top. After picking your home, you go to the top and you grab that MLS number. You go to more actions, and then at the bottom, post to Craigslist. Now, as you can see, I have a couple extra questions. You answer your quick questions if it pops up, and it just let it go. I didn't touch anything. It did everything for me. Now you think, wow, that's it. So we're going to do a couple quick things to change it. So then here at the top left, you're going to hit Edit Post. You can see it was right here. Now right here, it says Andrew M, and this is my smart number, which you can leave it like that if you want. But the problem I don't leave it like that is because if you leave it like that, then when a lead comes in, they aren't going to be able to, you're not going to know. It's just going to say you have a new lead, Andrew M1, and they're going to be in your KV Core, but you won't know what property they're reaching out about. So what I like to do first is remove the address if it's in there, because I want them to have to reach out to me to get the address. And then right here where it says Andrew M1, I'm going to delete that. And yours will be on the second line at this in this message as well in the description. I delete whatever your name is and put the MLS number. And then the cell phone, you put your cell phone in there. That's my work number, so feel free to call if you are looking for a house. And then underneath here, you're going to scroll down. Don't do anything else. Don't worry about all this stuff in here. Just scroll down here where it says show my phone number. Phone calls okay, text okay. And you see, it gives me a chance to autofill it. Do not autofill. It's a weird Craigslist thing. If you autofill it, it's going to change your location on the next screen. And you'll have to redo some of those things that were done automatically. And that's literally it. You show your phone number, you do it, you're good to go. Then I hit continue. Now I am logged in already. If I wasn't logged in yet, then it's going to have a login button right here. So then I would have to log in real quick. And then once I log in, I can publish it. Because when I go here and hit publish now, it loads, I'm done. It just posted to Craigslist. It's that simple, that easy. If you do this every day and post 5 to 10 homes to Craigslist to 15, I always recommend doing 15 a day, which is 5 in the morning, 5 in the afternoon, 5 in the evening. If you do those 15 every day, it's going to bring you leads. Now, it doesn't happen overnight. You have to be consistent. I have some people who are posting every day, and it's taking them about 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Some people get leads right away. It just depends on what market you're at. This works across the whole United States. Where I'm in the San Antonio market, we train this a lot. So a lot of people do it. So it takes us a couple weeks to build up our SEO, our search engine optimization, enough to get people to notice us. So we're always at the top of the list. But in other areas, I do a lot of training in Dallas and Houston. And my other classes where I was out there, they did the post once. The next day, they got leads. So you don't really have to wait 2 or 3 weeks all the time. Sometimes they just come in, you have them, and you're good. And that's it. And then you're done. So again, I'll go back to listings. So these are my company listings, so I can do whatever I want with them because I have permission. Now I'm going to grab this one. Just randomly picky. So here's a great house. Again, we do the same thing. Highlight the MLS number, more actions, post to Craigslist. Then I have this little spot where I skip it and I continue. And then it does everything. Top left, once it loads, you're going to hit edit post again. Second to the bottom line has your name. Change that over there. Too easy. And then you're going to change your phone number to your phone. Now when someone texts you, you know exactly what they're looking for. And that's it. And then you go down here to phone number. I'm just changing it in real quick. And literally, it's this easy to do it. And now it's good. Then you hit continue and then publish. So even walking you through and talking to you, it only took what, 30 seconds, maybe 45 seconds. So if you can do 5 or 6 a day in the morning, afternoon, evening, morning is good around 7, 7:30. I'm around 7 in the morning, a little early this morning, doing my video and stuff. So if you're out posting early and people are getting up, it gives you better options to be able to catch people who are waking up, getting ready for work. In the afternoon, some good times are right around 11:45, or toward lunch, I should say, around 11:45 or so, because people are getting ready to go to lunch, and they're willing to think, okay, we'll go to lunch, got to get ready, all that kind of stuff. And then in the evening, a good time in the evening to think about, okay, we're going to get this ready to go in the evening, is to knock out where you're going to be at, like 4 o'clock ish. Right in there is fine, where people are getting ready to go home, or also after, or after 4. So 4 o'clock ish, right in there. Or when people get home, they've had dinner, they're ready to go, say around 7. Any time like that is good. You'll get in, you'll get some home, you'll get some stuff done, post some post, and then you can do it. You can do more than 5 at a time. I think you can do 12 at a time, something like that. Then it makes you pause 20 minutes. I usually try to do 4 or 5 at least each morning, each time, as I'm doing now in the video. This gets you in front of people, let you get checked out people, and get, what you see, get some leads, have it going. This is a free, easy way, something you do every day for free leads. Hope that gives you some great leads. Good luck.